Okay, in today's video we are going to show you how you can make money for free worldwide. I'm going to take you through 4 steps that you can do which will then help you to create income, and it won't even cost you a single penny to start. So if you're ready, let's head over to the desktop and we'll go through step 1. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, we make videos every single week, and if you don't want to miss those, then make sure you head over and hit that subscribe button now and the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Now in today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can make money for free worldwide, and we're going to be using a system called affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you promote other people's products and then get paid a commission when somebody buys that product. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, I'll leave a link to a video which takes you through a step-by-step process to get started with affiliate marketing. Let's show you the 4 steps you can get started with today for free. So the first thing we want to do is find a product to promote. Okay, so there are many affiliate networks where you can go and pick up products. So this is one called Digistore 24. They are available worldwide, so anybody in the world can use them. So all you've got to do is go up here and register now. It's totally free. Get your free account, and then you can go into the marketplace, which is what we're going to do, and show you how you can go and pick a product to promote. Okay, so we've come into my account here and I've clicked on the marketplace and I've come down to internet marketing and e-businesses. Now, as you can see here, we've got various products that are available all in this little niche here. And I've chosen this one because it's quite apt, because obviously we're on YouTube. And so for argument's sake, we could send people to this product here, which is Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. So you just click on the promote button here, and as you can see, I've already done that for this one on the Tube Mastery, and that then gives you a link, and that is your affiliate link, and that's a link which will be unique to you. So then whenever someone clicks on it and goes to the site and actually purchases, then you will get a commission. Okay, so once you've got your product you want to actually promote and you've set up your links, etc., like that, then the next thing is you need to get the product in front of people. And how we're going to do that, we're going to actually use YouTube itself, and we're going to go and create videos. So we're going to go and create a video for YouTube all about this product. Now, what you could do is you could go onto the sales page here, and then you could go through the page and give it a review on your video channel. Very, very simple, very easy to do, and you could do it just by your mobile phone or something like that, and obviously then upload it to YouTube. Very simple to do, and obviously it's going to cost you absolutely nothing. Now, if you haven't got a YouTube set up already, again, that's very simple. You'll need to get a Google account. So then once you've set up your Google account, you will then go and you'll have the option of starting a YouTube channel. So it's very simple to do, and you can go and check that out. And if you needed more information on how to do a YouTube channel, then make sure you check out the resources tab below this video. Matt Parr has actually got a free training webinar where it actually shows you how you can make money on YouTube without even recording your own videos. So he takes it a step further, and he can show you how you can create these videos without yourself actually being on them or having to create them. So we've now got our product, we've set up our YouTube channel, and we've created a YouTube video, and then obviously we would hopefully get some traffic from YouTube. So you could then, if you wanted to, you could then literally just put a link in the description and give a call to action to people to go and obviously purchase the YouTube course. Or if what I would do, and what I think you should do, which is probably step 3, is go and create your own email list and create like a bridge page, send people to that bridge page and capture their email, and then take them on to the offer after that. And the reason for this is then you can basically then go on to what is step 4, and then you can use email marketing to then Offer them more products, different products. When obviously your videos come out, you can then just email them and say, hi guys, I've got a new video out, go and check it out. You could send them to affiliate offers, you could send them to other blog posts. Once you've got an email list, you can then basically send traffic all over the place. And of course, again, this is free to do, and I'm going to show you how you can go and do both those things in just one account. And how you can do that is by joining Aweber. Now, Aweber is an email service provider, so it gives you all the features there where you can go in and create your email campaigns and do it and have them all automated. So once you've set them up, this can be going out on autopilot. And all you've got to do is go and create an Aweber free account, which is up here on the right hand side, this button. And it's a free account for unlimited time. So you haven't got a 7-day free trial, a 30-day free trial. This as a free account which has no time limit. It does have a limit to the amount of subscribers and that. So once you start building your business, then obviously you will have to pay for it. But you get 500 subscribers you can add before you start doing that. And in theory, once you've got 500 targeted subscribers, you should probably be making more than the $19 a month that they ask out of your business anyway. So once you're actually signed up inside Aweber, it looks a little bit like this. This should be your dashboard. I've just clicked on what we call landing pages here. And this is where you can go and create a landing page. And as you can see, guys, there's all these different templates you can actually use to grab people's email address. So you could either have it just as a simple template, something like this, or you could have more elaborate templates where you're actually giving away a specific thing to get people on your list. Now, you may only want it, like you say, as a bridge page just to capture their email before you send them on to your offer. And then obviously if they don't buy the offer, you could then send them emails further on down the line, the next day, the day after, giving them all the benefits of why they still should be obviously buying the product. So that is your 4 steps to make money online. So what we've got to do is obviously go and find a product which you can use Digistore 25, which is totally free to join. You can obviously then go and create a YouTube video, a YouTube channel, and create a YouTube video by using just your mobile phone, and then upload it to YouTube. Then create a bridge page on Aweber, and also then obviously start sending them emails which you can then make further sales, different products and services and that further down the line. Okay, if you found that useful, then make sure you smash up the like button, and also if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, hit that notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time there's a new video. Don't forget to check out our other videos here as well, and we will see you on the next video.